3 ways to reduce eggs using Ulrick and short ingredients. First up, egg-free cakes. Our functional egg replacer can replace up to 100% of liquid egg in cakes. Not only do they provide the same aeration and structural properties that you would expect from eggs, but also assist in improving crumb softness, giving a light, fluffy and moist sponge. Next up, egg-free mayonnaise. The newest functional blend in our egg replacement range has been developed for plant-based mayonnaise. This product can not only be used as an emulsifier, replacing the functionality of egg, but also stabilises, therefore providing a complete, clean label solution for a range of different oil content meals. Also works great in salad dressings too. Finally, egg-free glazing systems. Our range of plant-based glazes provide high shine finishes to pastry and hot cross buns as a replacement for egg and milk washes. They're also great for seed adhesion on bread too. All our egg replacement solutions are clean label and plant-based. To see how we can assist you with reformulating, get in touch today.